Do you know what children and senior citizens have in common? Well, they take smaller steps and have smaller strides. And you know what's the easiest, most comfortable, and most affordable way of transporting them? Well, check out the C28 Nissan Serena. And if you want to buy one, head on over to AutoBuzz.my/grab-a-deal. Link in description. Now, let's check out the car. First of all, there are 5 variants on offer and it's priced from 155,000 ringgit for the Serena X and goes up to 180,000 for the range-topping Shiro Highway Star. The good news is they all share the same e-Power range extender powertrain. Now there is a 1.4-litre 3-cylinder engine, but that doesn't power the car. Instead, what it does is it simply powers the battery that sits right in the middle of the car, and that battery is the one that supplies all the power to the electric motor that powers the front wheels. So there is no mechanical transmission, so to speak, just one electric motor making 161 horsepower and 315 Newton meters of torque, and that drives the front wheels. The average fuel economy is about 18.5 kilometers per litre of fuel, or about 5.4 litres per 100 kilometer, which is simple and pretty efficient. And according to Nissan, a full fuel tank can go up to 1,000 kilometers of range. So that's pretty good. You can choose between Eco, Standard and Sport drive modes, as well as B mode for more intense regenerative braking, or E-pedal mode for one-pedal driving. Secondly, the design. Unfortunately, we don't get the latest facelift version, but every single variant gets triple LED projectors arranged in a staggered fashion, LED daytime running lights, LED combination taillights, as well as 16-inch wheels with Goodyear Assurance Max Guard tires. Now, Highway Star variants add on LED front fog lamps and also my favorite, this hands-free powered door function for both left and right side. The X and X Plus variants also get this function, but only for the left door, and it works if you have the key fob with you, and perfect for if you have a lot of stuff or if you're carrying kids and whatnot. Now for the X and X Plus, the right door is manually operated. The weight is actually pretty manageable, and if you close the door, it also has soft closing function, so pretty nice. The split tailgate from the previous Serena is still here and it's standard across all variants, but the only version to get the power tailgate is the range-topping Shiro Highway Star. Inside, the C28 Serena is a big step up from the previous C27. You have a dual screen setup here as standard. The X and X Plus get a 7-inch instrumentation here and a 9-inch multimedia infotainment display here. Now the Highway Star variants get dual 12.3-inch displays complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The X and X Plus also get AACP, but those require wired connection. I like that they have tidied up this console here with this push-button style gear selector, so it frees up a little bit more space, and you also have your Qi wireless charging tray here, or on lower variants, a compartment of sorts. The dash is also neater with this slightly hidden compartment, which is nice, and you also have your cubby holes here, so nice and neat. The foot brake is also gone, and in its place is an electronic parking brake with auto brake hold. As for the seats, the 2 most expensive variants get Nappa combination leather upholstery, and the front seats have been redesigned with longer cushions, so it is less fatiguing on extended drives. X and Highway Star variants, however, get water-repellent fabric seats, although the Shiro model is the only one to get white combination leather seats. Nissan says there are 13 ways for you to configure the rear seats, so that helps with egress and egress, and I like that the seats can just be moved in so many different directions, can be folded up here and there, which is really nice and handy. Now, you'll also get this 14-inch display here with Apple and Chromecast, so that's pretty advanced for a car in this class. I like that. You also have tray table with cubbies, although this is not standard. There's also a hook down here for you to hang your bags and whatnot. And Nissan says each passenger will have his or her own USB-C charging. So have a crack at all your devices, it's nice. Oh, you also have 15 cubby holes. Did I mention that already? So many. One more thing I want to add is that the Highway Star variants get this really nice sunshade And since the windows are so big, make sure to invest in a good security or solar tint film. Our friends at Trapo can help you with that. Next up, we have safety, and this is a massive upgrade from the previous generation Nissan Serena. Nissan's ProPilot semi-autonomous driving system is available for the first time for Highway Star variants, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot intervention, AEB, as well as 360-degree surround view camera system. Nissan also made improvements to NVH, so the car is quieter than ever before. Now, Highway Star variants are the only ones to get acoustic front windshields, so you get less noise and overall a much more pleasant traveling experience. Once again, the C28 Nissan Serena is priced from 155,000 ringgit to 180,000 ringgit, and if you're looking for a family car with full after-sales and warranty support, this one is worth a look indeed. If you want to buy one, make sure to head on over to AutoBuzz.my/grab-a-deal. If you buy through us, you'll enjoy a Trapo Starter Kit, which includes car mats, dash cam, and even PPF protection. So once again, AutoBuzz.my/grab-a-deal, link in description. That's it from me. If you have any thoughts on the Serena, do let us know in the comments below. Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.